Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be a reveal of a product that was launched recently. It's from Sigma Beauty. It launched on January 16th or 17th. I'm gonna open it up so we can all see what it is. Alright, so just for you, brushes, makeup gadgets. I'm sure anyone who has bought from Sigma before knows what this looks like. They always send a list of the products that they have that you can purchase. So it's like a mini catalog of what they sell, and you have the gadgets and accessories, you have the brush kits, you have the face brushes, the eye brushes, and as well you've got some makeup. So you have the eyes with some palettes, which I know they have more palettes than just this one, and as well they have lips, brows, and face, which is blushes and bronzers. Alright, so they did as well have a few items that were on sale, and they had a discount coupon, so I decided to just grab a couple of items since they were on sale, and I was already gonna buy the product that I was so intrigued about. So I did pick up a couple brushes. I got, this is the shader crease E47, and this is what it looks like. Actually, you know what, this is a free brush, so this came as a free brush with purchase, which is a full-size brush, and this is what the brush head looks like. So this is the shader crease E47. So this is actually a free brush, which is pretty neat. You get this full-size brush as a free brush. This is the one that I purchased. So this is the large concealer. Did I purchase the large concealer? I guess I did. I thought I had purchased a different brush, but okay. And the product that I was so intrigued about is this, the SIGMAGIC Solid Makeup Brush Cleanser. And it's a 2-in-1 deep cleanse. It has two components built into it, and this actually was a package insert that's supposed to be like their PR for persons who probably did not buy it. So it says coming soon here, and it's for $19, and you see it has the brush cleanser in it, and as well it has the silicone part that you would normally use as the brush cleaner. So if you guys know of their brush cleaning mats, they have different forms of the brush cleaning mats, and they as well have the brush shampoo, liquid and foam. So this product here, this SIGMAGIC brush cleanser, is almost as if it has the spa mat and the brush cleanser in a bar soap form, all formed together in one cleanser. So let me just put this back to the side and open this up because I'm really excited about this one. Let me open it, and let's see. So it says 100% natural, antimicrobial, fragrance, paraben, and sulfate free. So this is a really good cleanser. So this part of it, which is a cleanser, the white part is a cleanser, is all of these things: 100% natural, antimicrobial, fragrance, paraben, and sulfate free. So if anyone has any specific type of allergies, this should be a good cleanser for you. It has these suction cups that you can press against your sink so that you have it mounted in your sink just like this for you to use while you're washing your brushes. So you would wet your brushes, and then you have this suction onto your sink so that you could easily wash your brushes. And as well, you see it has these vents in the front so that when you use it, you could close it back and not worry about the cleanser getting soggy and starting to fall apart and that kind of thing. So here are the directions. Solid makeup brush cleanser directions: secure suction cups in sink, swirl wet brush on texture to lather, rinse well with warm water, repeat as needed. For best results, dry brushes using Sigma Dry and Shape Tower. Alright, so I am gonna give this a go. I'm gonna record it while I am cleaning my brushes so that at least y'all can see whether or not this works as well as they say it's gonna work. I have never purchased any of the brush cleansers, but I do own 2 or 3 of the cleansing mats. So I have this mat, which is the original large size brush cleaning mat, and I also have the Express, and I also got a small sample sized one when they were just bringing these out, so I used that to travel with. So I already have these two, the original size cleaning mat and the Express cleaning mat, which the Express is quite easy, and it's you can really well do with the Express and not really need to use the original size, which is pretty large. And what else came in my package? I also got one of these, which is the brush cup holder. I already have one, but I have quite a bit of brushes, so I decided to get this so that I can put all of my brushes, you know, have them laid out instead of having them scrunched up too much. And this is also a brush cup that you can easily travel with. So you put your brushes in, you snap the top on each side, and you have your brushes secure and won't get, or should not get, any, you know, knocking about while you're traveling. So this was a good buy. I don't remember how much I paid for this, but my order total was under $50 for all 4 of these items. So I purchased these 2 brush, well, this brush, this one was free, so this is a large concealer, and this is the crease, shader crease, which was for free with purchase with my order, and also this SIGMAGIC Sigma Scrub 2-in-1 brush cleanser. So all of these items was under, I want to say I paid $32 for everything, which was a good deal for me. And let me see, I'm just going to make sure that there's nothing else in here. Right, so that's it. So what I'm going to do, I am going to clean my brushes. I'm going to record it while I'm cleaning, and I will show you all what the magic is with the SIGMAGIC. Okay guys, so I have moved to my bathroom so that we can test this out. So let me open it up. I'm gonna test it on these brushes. This one has been dirty for a while, and this has like Estee Lauder Double Wear. That's a difficult foundation to remove from brushes. And this one is a blush brush that I have been dousing with blush. And of course you can see how dirty this blending brush is. So I'm gonna put this SIGMAGIC to the test to see how well it works with removing dirt or grime or foundation and makeup from these makeup brushes. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to open up the packaging and let's get into it. So I'm going to use these suction cups that is supposed to be able to go onto the sink. So let me remove the cover. And then it has these suction cups that I can use to push it on the sink. And let's go. Okay, so we can still see some amount of foundation on the bristles of the brush. So I'm going to give this a second wash to see how well it removes. And I must say, this brush was filthy. So I'm going to go again to wash this out. So let's look, and we can see that almost I'd say maybe 99% of the foundation has been removed from the brush, and it's not as stained as it was before. There's a slight bit. Alright, let's try with this brush, which is a blending brush for the eyes that is just as dirty, but maybe is going to be a little bit easier to clean, because foundation is certainly harder to clean out of brushes than eye makeup. So let's see. Last one, this blush brush, which is really stained with pink. So let's see. What? Okay, I'm impressed. Very, very, very impressed. Because I see how clean these brushes are after they were filthy. This gets 5 stars for me. Guys, this is a winner.